Students, today we are going to attempt a test of chapter 1.1 Physical Quantities and Units. So let's get started. The first question is the average kinetic energy E of a gas molecule is given by the equation E is equal to 3/2 kT, where T is the absolute Kelvin temperature. What are the SI base units of K? Option A is per kg per meter second square Kelvin. B option is per kg per meter square second square Kelvin. C option is kg per meter square per Kelvin. D option is kg meter square per second square per Kelvin. And the correct option is D. Question number second is the speed of aeroplane in still air is 200 km per hour. The wind blows from the west at a speed of 85 km per hour. In which direction must the pilot steer the aeroplane in order to fly due north? A option is 23 degree east of north. B option is 23 degree west of north. C option is 25.2 degree east of north. D option is 25.2 degree west of north. The correct option is D, 25.2 degree west of north. Question number 3 is the units of all physical quantities can be expressed in terms of SI base units. Which pair contains quantities with the same base units? Option A is force and momentum. Option B is pressure and Young's modulus. Option C is power and kinetic energy. Option D is mass and weight. And the correct option is option B, pressure and Young's modulus. Question number 4 is vectors P and Q are drawn to scale P and Q. Which diagram represents the vector P minus Q? Option A is vector which is downward. Option B vector to left. Option C is upward direction vector, and option D is vector horizontally towards right. And the correct option is option C. Question number 5. The table contains some quantities together with their symbol and units. Quantities gravitational field strength G with unit Newton per kg. Quantity density of liquid symbol rho, unit kg per meter cube. Quantity vertical height symbol h, unit meter. Quantity volume of part of liquid symbol V, unit meter cube. Which expression has the unit of energy? So option A is rho G square H. Option B is rho HV over G. Option C is rho G over HV. Option D is G rho HV. The correct option is option D. Let's move towards question 6. What is the ratio 10 raised power minus 3 terahertz divided by 10 raised power 3 kilohertz? Option A is 10 raised power minus 9. Option B is 10 raised power minus 6. Option C is 10 raised power 0. Option D is 10 raised power 3. And the correct option is option C, 10 raised power 0. Question number 7 is which of the following correctly expresses the volt in terms of SI base units? Option A is ampere ohm. Option B is watt per ampere. Option C is kg meter square per second per ampere. Option D is kg meter square per second cube per ampere. And the correct option is option B, watt per ampere. Question number 8 is a vector has magnitude r and perpendicular component p and q as shown in the diagram. Vertical component q, horizontal component is p, angle is theta, and vector is r. Which row correctly describe the perpendicular components? Option A is q and sine theta. Option B is r cos theta and p. Option C is r cos theta or sine theta. Option D is r sine theta and r cos theta. And the correct option is option D. Question number 9 is, for which quantity is the magnitude a reasonable estimate? Option A is frequency of a radio wave 500 picohertz. Option B is mass of an atom 500 microgram. Option C is the Young's modulus of a metal 500 kilopascal. Option D is wavelength of green light 500 nanometer. And the correct option is option D. The last 10th question is, the equation relating pressure and density is P is equal to rho gh. How can both sides of this equation be written in terms of base units? Option A is Newton per meter is equal to kg meter cube, meter per second and meter. Option B is Newton per meter square is equal to kg per meter square, meter per second square and meter. Option C is kg per meter per second square is equal to kg per meter cube, meter per second square and meter. Option D is kg per meter per second is equal to kg per meter, meter per second square and meter. Students, the correct option is option C. Students, if you want to get the solution of these 10 MCQs, then comment below in comment section and ask me for a detailed solution video of these 10 questions. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Take care of you.